FIFA World Cup.
Trophy that means that Spain are the kings of world football. Aimed in for Kurtz!
The FIFA World Cup to Germany.
Win the World Cup on a foreign field.
There are many sports played around the world, but there is one tournament that makes the whole world stop to watch it. The first World Cup match was played in Uruguay in 1930, where only 13 teams took part. The first Uruguay and Brazil is the most successful team in FIFA World Cup history with 5 World Cup titles. Only 8 countries have ever won the FIFA World Cup, which shows how difficult it is to win this trophy. A huge upset happened at the 1950 World Cup when the United States defeated England. Even though England was considered one of the strongest teams at the time, the 1970 World Cup was the first World Cup to be broadcast around the world on color television. The 1930 FIFA World Cup Trophy was about 14 inches tall and was made of gold-plated sterling silver. It featured the Greek goddess of victory, Nike, holding an 8-sided cup in her hands. It looked completely different from today's FIFA World Cup trophy, and its design looked more like a classical statue. The FIFA World Cup trophy used today was first introduced in 1974. It was created because Brazil won the old Jules Rimet Trophy for the 3rd time in 1970 and got to keep it. It is 36.8 centimeters tall and weighs 6.175 kilograms. The trophy features 2 human figures lifting the earth above their heads, which represents the global popularity of football and the unity of countries around the world. This beautiful trophy was designed by Italian designer Silvio Gazzaniga. Interestingly, the team that wins the World Cup does not get to keep the original trophy forever. The original trophy remains safely with FIFA, while the champion team receives an official replica of the trophy.